In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unprotect Sheet Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove a protection rule from a sheet or a specific range, so you and your collaborators can edit freely again. Start by heading to Google's homepage in your browser. In the top right, click the small grid icon, sometimes called the Google Apps Launcher. From that menu, choose Sheets to open the Google Sheets dashboard. Find and open the spreadsheet where the sheet or cells are currently protected. If you have a lot of files, you can use the search bar at the top to locate it quickly. With your spreadsheet open, look at the menu bar along the top and click Data. In the drop-down, choose Protect Sheets and Ranges. This opens a panel on the right side that lists any protection rules in this file. A quick note on what you're seeing. Protections can apply either to an entire sheet or to a specific set of cells. These rules are often used to prevent accidental edits or to restrict changes to certain editors. In the right-hand panel, click the protected sheet or range you want to unprotect. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct one by reviewing the details shown, like the sheet name or the cell range. When you're sure, look for the trash bin icon in that panel. Clicking this does not delete any of your data. It only deletes the protection rule. Go ahead and click the trash bin. A confirmation message will appear asking if you want to remove the protection. Click Remove. The protection rule is now gone, and those cells or the entire sheet are editable according to the file's normal sharing permissions. If you have multiple protections you want to lift, repeat the same process for each one in the list. A few helpful tips before we wrap up. First, you need to be the owner of the file or have the necessary permissions to manage protections. If you don't see the option to remove a rule, contact the file owner or a manager-level editor. Second, if your goal is to allow edits to most of the sheet, but keep a few cells locked, you can unprotect the broad rule and then reapply a more targeted protection later. Third, removing a protection rule does not change who has access to the file overall. It only affects the editing restriction on that sheet or range. And finally, if you remove a protection by mistake, you can usually undo immediately with your keyboard's undo command. That's it. You've successfully unprotected your sheet or range in Google Sheets.